Add this to your website for an instant SEO boost. I added this to my website and I increased my time on site by 128%. The longer people stay on your website, it tells Google that people like your site, they find it valuable, and that Google should consider ranking it higher. This one thing also increased my backlink count by 24,453 referring domain names. That's a lot of backlinks. The more links you have, the higher you will rank over time. And best of all, I added 240,392 visitors from Google a month just from one simple keyword. And keep in mind, that's through SEO, not paid advertising, that's SEO, which means I didn't pay for that traffic. And here's a cool thing. You can do the same exact thing on your website just like I did. And can you guess how I did it? I added a free tool to my website. It's called Ubersuggest. And if you think about Ubersuggest, if you haven't checked it out, go to ubersuggest.com or neilpatel.com/ubersuggest, the same URL. And when you put in your website or a keyword, it gives you all this SEO data, such as how popular a keyword is, or how much it costs per click, or how much traffic a website's getting, or who's linking to it. Now, with this tool, a lot of people charge $100 a month for a lot of the features that I give away for free. Sure, there's paid plans on Ubersuggest, but the majority of the features are for free. Now, do you get the value here? Most people charge $100 a month. I charge $0 for most of the features. It doesn't matter if my product is better or worse than theirs, and I'm not saying it is better or worse, but when people look at it, they say $100 or $0. $0 creates a lot of traffic and backlinks because a lot of people, majority of the people, don't want to pay money. So how do you generate similar results, especially if you don't have a budget like me to hire developers and designers and product people? Well, there's this site called CodeCanyon. Check it out. CodeCanyon has tools on everything. Real estate, there's tools for that. Car industry, there's tools for that. Storage industry, there's tools for that as well. There's tools for literally every industry. Heck, if you're competing with me in the SEO industry or digital marketing industry, there's tons of tools for that on CodeCanyon. And they'll sell you these tools anywhere from usually $10 to $50. And what you do is you download the tool, it's white labeled, you add your own logo to it, you upload it to your server, it's on your website now, and over time, whether you promote the tool hard or not, or just link to it a few times on social media and link in your navigation, over time what you'll find is the tool will be one of the most popular pages on your site, it'll naturally get backlinks, it'll naturally get social shares, and it'll do well. And when that tool gets all that authority, remember, that tool is on your site, your domain. So it's actually boosting the overall authority for the whole site. So that means if you have this blog article on dog food or SEO or marketing or dentist, it makes your whole site rank higher. That's the trick. That's what you need to do. If you need help with your SEO strategy or more tactics like this and need help implementing it, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. Or if you just have any questions or need help, leave a comment below. I'm here to help you out. Make sure you like, rate this video. Thank you for watching.